So today we're going to check out some hair color transformations. So first we kick things off with someone who has long natural hair. She went from this ombre color to more of this hot red. Love that transformation. Her texture was so gorgeous. And in this next one, it looks like she is going to be going with more of that platinum blonde trend. As you guys know, platinum is huge this season, so if she's not going platinum, she's definitely going blonde, blonde, blonde. So she did end up going with the blonde, and she got gorgeous highlights throughout. Now this woman is probably going with platinum. So the stylist did use that cotton. I've seen that once before on a previous video, and I'm not quite sure what that technique does. If anyone knows, please leave in the comments what that actually does. But once again, she did end up going platinum with this transformation. The color is absolutely gorgeous. Beautiful shade of platinum blonde. And then we move into the next one. So she has kind of like rainbow color going on, blue, turquoise, and like a reddish orangey tone. So it looks like the stylist is getting ready to add in some purple and blue. Ooh, so far this is looking really pretty. So it looks like she's doing pink towards the ends there. Ooh, gorgeous kind of mermaid color going on. Blue at the top, kind of like a silver in the middle, and then pink at the ends. Gorgeous. Ooh, I love how it looks styled. So pretty. So next up, we see some highlights being added and a haircut as well. So I think she's gonna go with like platinum color. Or very, very blonde. Yeah, so she went like super blonde with highlights. Gorgeous. And we see a bit of a haircut transformation. So now, of course, this is a hair color transformation video, so she's going to be getting some color. Ooh, so she got blonde highlights, money piece highlights, blonde in the front. Gorgeous. I just love the money piece hair trend. It's definitely, I would say, out of all the trends that I'm seeing right now, that is my favorite. And then second would be platinum blonde. So next up we see another hair transformation. So she's gonna be going with this bold orange. Ooh. This kind of reminds me of like a creamsicle. I don't know. That color is just like so like sherbet creamsicle orange. And then we see this gorgeous red bob. This is like a beautiful burgundy red. Then we see a blonde highlighted bob. I like the stylist hair. They like a nice silver. Ooh, this is a really pretty bob too. Love the highlights, the Cleopatra feel with the bangs. Really edgy. Then we have a nice angled bob here as well. This one is just classic brunette. Love the amount of volume and length that she has in the front. And then next up we have another hairstyle getting some highlights, it looks like. It's like so mesmerizing, the stylist just putting the color on the hair. So relaxing. So this person got some gorgeous veilage. And then there's another trend that's going around where it's called foliage. I don't know if you guys have seen that, but they're called like foliage highlights. So I have no idea what that actually is. I'll have to investigate a little bit more. But I wonder if it's just simply putting highlights with foil. They always come up with like these different names for things and like try to make it like hip and modern. But it's like the same old thing, you know, just a new spin on it. New gimmick, if you will. I don't know if anyone else has noticed that, but I definitely have over the years. Oh, a bold money piece, here we go. So this is actually teaching you how to do the money piece highlights in case you wanted to try it yourself at home. I do have some good DIY transformation videos on this channel, so if you want to play around with color, you can find tons of inspiration within those videos. So the stylist is doing very thin slices of color. Wow, that is a lot of foil. I never knew that technique featured so much foil. But she's getting like a really bold money piece. Wow. Lavender purple. This is gorgeous. Love the way that that turned out. Absolutely breathtaking. And then she just got some color. Looks like she just went with the blonde. I think for this video, she was just trying to cover up some grays. Alright you guys, so that is going to be it for this video. I hope you enjoyed checking out these transformations with me. If you did, be sure to give this video a like and I will see you in the next one.